Hi, everyone. Now that you've learned about how technology has changed the way that we communicate with one another, you're ready to start making connections between those different forms of communication to your own families. So, the questions I want you to ask your family members, and by this I mean parents, grandparents, any older siblings or cousins, aunts or uncles, are these following questions. The first question for them is, when was the first time you used a computer? The second question is, when was the first time you used a mobile phone? And the third question is, when was the first time you used email? So those are the questions that you're asking your families so that you can respond in the discussion post. Here are the questions for you to answer in the discussion post. Number 4 says, when was the first time you used a computer? Number 5 says, when was the first time you used a smartphone or a tablet?